Hey everybody, Mike here and welcome back to the channel. Well, it's been a while since my last video, but I told you guys if I had something really special, I would make another video. So, here it is. Okay guys, so what's going on? Well, in the intro you saw Urban Studios, right? If you know my channel, then you've seen that intro many times. These guys are based in Switzerland, they're the coolest people ever and they make awesome product. So what do? Well, they make 3D urban environments. They make individual buildings, they make complete cities, they make them for games, they make them for movies, they make them for the car industry, you know, whoever needs them. And I've always been in awe with what they've been creating, but they decided to step it up a notch and to make something very cool for you guys, okay? So what's going on? They created a free download demo of a race environment, and they took a lot of their buildings and they create a complete city that you get to drive around in a super fancy sports car, right? Now, I'm not a super good gamer, but I'm going to show you guys what's going on, and there is stuff to win. There are flags you can find that you can conquer, and if you get all the flags in the right color, there are prizes to win, right? Let's dive into the demo. Okay guys, well, how to get the demo, which is fully playable by the way, how to get the demo, how to install it, and what to do to win the prizes. Well, first of all, you're going to go to the Urban website, which is vrbn.io, like on the screen here. It's pronounced Urban, by the way, yeah? So if you go to the website, you will find a whole bunch of information on what they do and so forth, and I advise you to check that out for sure. But for the game demo, we're going to go to the tab called Demo. We're going to click on that, and we're going to scroll down. Now, as it says here, we solved the city, we conquered the landscape, the world is yours. Pretty neat. Here's a screenshot of the environment you're going to be driving in. This is the car. And what you're going to do first, of course, is you're going to download the actual game. You're going to click here. That will download a 2.4 gig zip file. You unzip it, you install it. Pretty self-explanatory, not too difficult, right? It's for PC Windows, by the way, just so you know. And then once you have that installed and you play around with it, the whole idea of the competition is this. Over a period of 4 weeks, as noted here, right? So February 1st to 7th and so forth. Over a period of 4 weeks, every week they're going to be giving away 3 t-shirts to those who send screenshots of the orange flags they found, right? To them, and they will randomly pick a winner that will get, you know, a t-shirt. So every week, 4 weeks in a row, 3 t-shirts picked random on those that sent in the screenshots. The blue competition, however, is to get discount in the shop. So if you are a private user or a business user and you want to have discount on assets, if you send screenshots of the blue flags, within that time frame, you get 20% shop discount. And that is for every individual person that sent in those screenshots, right? So not just 3, all of you. Okay, there are a bunch of rules down here that are some legal stuff and so forth. Please read through that. It tells you where to send it and so forth. Here are a couple of game impressions. But what I'm going to do next is download it, set it up, and then I'll show you a little bit about what it's like. I'm not going to be driving around too much because I don't want to give away the location of the flags, but just to give you an impression, right? Here we go. Okay guys, well, I downloaded the zip file, I unzipped it, I ran the application, and this is my first screen. Okay, so custom lighting, really cool. Let's go. Okay, let's see. C for show controls, gamepad supported, which is cool. WSADL, WSAD is pretty common. L toggle the headlamps, which is sweet. Hide the UI by hitting a U and escape for options. All right, let's check that out in a second. Let's make sure it loads up okay. All right, wow, check out those logos, guys. Sweet. Okay, so what do we got? Let's hit escape first, because I want to see resolution setup. And what can we do here? Okay, quite a bit. Wow, actually really a lot, which is nice. I'm going to leave it at 1920 by 1080, 60 right now, but you can change that, as you can see. Full screen or not. Let's see, VSync, we got shadow distance. Okay, so that's basically the position of the height of the sun, I would say. Brightness, overall volume, music volume, ambient occlusion, everything's set on. So if your system is a bit slower, you can turn this stuff off, but I'm definitely going to leave it on. We're going to close the options menu, and let's see what else we got. Up here, daytime or nighttime. That is freaking awesome. Okay, let's push that to nighttime, so I'm not seeing squat except the MH logo. Haha. Pretty cool. Let's hit L to toggle the headlights. All right, let's get some light in here, otherwise we can't see anything. Okay. Okay, so W to move forward. Here we go. A to turn left. Like I said, I completely suck at this, but there we go. S to go in reverse, which of course is also hitting the brakes. Let's turn that around a little bit. Okay, let's get some daylight in here. Oops, don't smash the car, don't smash the car. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, cool. Let's drive around a little bit, see what we got here. And like I said, guys, take your time, play with this. It's a pretty vast city, and all of these buildings, once again, are made by Urban Studios. All of them. Sweet, right? Let's hit the brakes. Okay, so that said, guys, play to your heart's content, right? You can spend many, many hours driving around, checking out the city, and, you know, show the guys at Urban Studios some respect and check out their website, because they put a load of time into this, and it's completely free for you guys, right? So that said, Urban Studios, thank you guys. Viewers, thank you. Let me know in the comments what you think, and yeah, show them some love, right? That's it for me, signing out. See you guys in the next one. Bye.